got it. Oh. There you go. So the ADOs is a little bit different. This is gonna be a little bit harder, but it's fun because you get to do a nice little outside sweep. So you're gonna go up, you're gonna cross in after that first cone and do a U-turn, cross again, and then go all the way around. It looks a little difficult, but you can use all the space you have as long as you're in between the cones. But the 8 looks fun, so. Okay. Try your best. Remember, we're gonna do this 5 times, so the first one's getting used to the pattern, second one's getting used to it, third one, now you're starting to be like, okay, I wanna get some speed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
So go ahead and just do your thing. Start up.
Do you turn the key off?
Yeah. And if you need to, use all the room you need. It's okay. Oh. So if you go
Hold
wide,
on.
no,
we're gonna redo this. We're gonna redo this.
Okay.
Because I almost went the wrong way too.
Okay. So remember to use all the space you need for that. Yeah, this is the part where it starts getting a little bit harder.
That one's not going in the video.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
So if you want to, like, come over here and then like go real wide, as long as you're before that cone, and then make that turn. Yeah, so use as much room as you need. There you go. And use all of this space to make that turn in before that cone. You got it. That's fine, that's fine. Keep going, keep going. Now go all the way around.
Wait. Pause.
Yeah, okay. So that's why the first time.
So then.
You would go like this.
Okay, okay, okay.
You want to try again?
Yes, this one is also not going in the video.
Okay.
We can't make me look too bad.
There you go. Use all the space you need. You got it.
Oh.
There you go. No, perfect, perfect. You did exactly what you're supposed to do. You straightened up the handlebars, you pulled in the clutch, and you applied the brakes. So go ahead and we'll do this. What happened on that? Did you accidentally give it too much throttle?
Yeah, and I wasn't holding onto the clutch. I was turning the bars, so then I like twisted.
Okay, sometimes that happens, especially on right-handed turns, because then you're kind of like doing this and then your hand accidentally does that. That's perfectly fine. I'm proud of you for straightening it up and pulling in the clutch, because that could have been into the bush. Perfectly fine. So we're gonna restart. And so on this last part, having to cut it in so hard, I like to go all the way out as much as I can and then come back in.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna try that one more time. We're gonna do a U-turn. You're still in first gear, I think.
Yeah.
So keep that pulled in, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the engine. So if you want, go ahead and paddle walk it so that you're straight. So, yeah, there you go. Very good. No, that's exactly what happens sometimes. You handled it.
Okay, this is gonna be a good one, I promise.
That's fine. So you're gonna come in through here, and if you want, like, shoot out way over here and do a really wide U-turn to make that. As long as you're before these cones. So go nice and wide in between. There you go. There you go, look where you wanna go. You'll make it, you'll make it. Keep going. Now, once you pass this cone, turn left. And you're gonna go all the way around all the cones and then exit out. All right, you did it. Let's see if we can do it 4 more times. Yeah, fine. We can see if we can do it 4 more times. You know, we'll do 3 times because you've already done two or three practice runs. We'll do it 2 more times.
but those are not going in. Those are not going in.
Yeah. It's fine.
No.
So nice wide on this last one right here. There you go, turn. And just look, there you go, look through the turn. Much smoother. Once you pass this one, turn left and go around everything. So if you notice, since now you're going around everything, you could probably pick up the speed a little bit since it's a nice wide arc instead of like a sharp turn. And then you can go right through it at the end and then do a U-turn to come back out. Very good. All right, 32 seconds. Let's see if we can get 29 seconds on this one. So the first figure 8 part, you're gonna do it like you did, but then once you pass through here and go all the way around, that's when you can pick up some speed. So the first part, nice and slow. And then just make sure you're looking all the way through the turn. There you go, look, 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 good. And then now, you can pick up some speed once you get through there, because you're just going a wide arc. .31, close enough, still faster. All right, so I want you to park it right here. And then go ahead and shut it off. Do the whole process. Very good. All right, so the first one, you went a little wide and then you wanted to restart. Second one, the first one you kind of forgot the design.
Yeah.
Second one you went wide. Third one, you almost crashed into me. Okay. So, and that's fine. So what happened on some of those, do you think?
I wasn't going wide enough. I was scared of falling over, and then I was not keeping my wrist strong enough when going around it, so it made me mess with the throttle.
Okay, but you remembered to straighten the handlebars and pull them.
Yeah.
So that's very important, because that can happen, especially if somebody's learning how to ride, is they're accidentally going to do that. And this is why I pick a big cul-de-sac or even a bigger parking lot. And so when it did shoot out, I'm really glad that you straightened up, pulled in the clutch, and applied the brakes. I didn't have to say anything. So I'm glad you did that.
I'm sure our neighbors are glad too.
Yeah, I'm sure they're glad too. And then the fourth and fifth one, the one they actually did, how did that feel once you finally got it down?
It felt a lot better. I think I should have put more speed in it because I was a little more comfortable. But yeah.
Okay. Well, we can put more speed in this next one.
Okay.
It's going to be a little bit more difficult. It's called the boxer's glove. So I'm going to reset these.